How observant are you? As a creator, you need to be very observant. When I go out here in my city, I look around for story ideas. Good stories, they don't just come when you're in front of the keyboard. Many times they don't. You could be in front of your keyboard the whole entire day, probably, and you'll not get a story. The mind doesn't work like that. How it works is when you're doing something seemingly unrelatable. Now, when you're outside, I want you to look at people. See what they're doing. See what maybe their motives are. There's a lot of stories that you could write. Now, the line is, and there's a thin line when it comes to all of this, is that when you are writing your stories and creating your art, do you need to get permission all the time? Well, it depends on what you're doing. It depends. Now, when I write my stories, some of my characters are based on real life, but I don't put their names in the story. No, I don't do that. I use other names. I protect the people that I'm observing. Even some people that you think that it should be open, right? There's even some people that you may think, well, why not publicize them? Everyone else does. Everyone else critiques their work. Sometimes I leave that out for good reasons. So I want you to go out, be observant of your city, look around you, see what's going on. By the way, as you can see right over here, this is the Nike symbol. This was created by Carolyn Davidson in 1971. They weren't called Nike at the time, it was a different company. They wanted a symbol. So they saw her work and they said, this is great. She is an incredible artist. Look at the swirl. So she sold it, get this, for only $35. That's it, $35. And Nike became huge. And this symbol, oh my goodness, it's all around the world. So be careful with your art. I'll talk to you soon.